you ever feel like your mind is too noisy? Overthinking, stress, confusion, zero clarity. What if I tell you all you need is a notebook and 5 minutes a day to change your life? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to start journaling, even if you don't know what to write, even if you've never journaled before. No complicated methods, no aesthetic pressure, just simple, practical steps. Let's begin. What is journaling? Journaling is simply writing your thoughts on paper. It is not about grammar. It is not about handwriting. It is not about being perfect. It's about clearing your mind. Think of it as mental detox. Step 1. Choose any notebook. Don't wait for a perfect journal. Take any notebook, even a simple copy. The goal is clarity, not aesthetics. Step 2. Set a 5-minute timer. Beginners make one mistake. They try to write too much. Start with 5 minutes only. Set a timer and just write continuously. Step 3. Start with these 3 questions. If you don't know what to write, answer, how am I feeling right now? What is bothering me today? What is one thing I'm grateful for? That's it. Simple, powerful. Step 4. Don't stop to think. Write without stopping. Don't edit, don't judge, don't correct spelling. Let your thoughts flow. Step 5. Close with one positive line. End your entry with, tomorrow I will try again, or I am learning. Trains your brain toward hope. Common beginner mistakes. Skip because you missed one day. Compare your journal to Pinterest. Overcomplicate it. Wait for motivation. Consistency greater than perfection. 7-day beginner challenge. For the next 7 days, day 1, write your feelings. Day 2, write your fears. Day 3, write your goals. Day 4, write your mistakes. Day 5, write what you want to improve. Day 6, write what you are grateful for. Day 7, reflect on your week. Just 5 minutes daily. If you want more journaling prompts, self-growth videos, and practical life reset content, subscribe to this channel. Your healing starts with one page. Open your notebook today.